Hello students, let's study about the fertilization and implantation. Okay, so before starting the fertilization, let's see the structure of the ovum. So this is the ovum, okay, surrounded by the this sperm. Okay, so ovum ki theke so tomaloke zona pellucida and the outer layer, that is zona cells of corona radiata, this one, and the innermost lining, that is perivitellin space. Okay, so itya so fertilization ki hoy. What is fertilization? Yes, it is the fusion of the gametes. So underline this, the process of fusion of sperms and with an ovum is called fertilization. So during fertilization, a sperm come in contact with zona pellucida. Okay, so sperm bila ki hobo zona pellucida contact ot ahibo. This is the zona pellucida. Tamane zona pellucida layer to penetrate kori, it will enter to the ovum, nucleus ot enter koribo hoy na ovum. Okay, so it induces jitia ki hobo zona pellucida layer ot jabo of the ovum and induces changes in the membrane that block the entry of additional sperms. Okay, so thus ensures that only one sperm can fertilize an ovum. So when it will enter into the zona pellucida, it induces the membrane and so that no additional sperm cannot enter, only one sperm fertilize the ovum. Okay, so the secretion of the acrosome helps the sperm enter into the cytoplasm of the ovum through the zona pellucida. Okay, ami structure pohisilu. We have already studied the structure of spermatozoa. That ami paisilu je plasma membrane or next portion to kesle, that is the acrosome. Aru acrosome ki thake fertilizing enzyme thake, so it induces the fertilization process. Aru etu ki koribo zona pellucida, and this induces the completion of the meiotic division of secondary oocytes. Okay, the second meiotic division is also unequal and results in the formation of second polar body. Okay, ekhine ami paisilu je polar body kenike formation hobo. So a haploid ovum aru ki hobo, at a haploid ovum and a sperm duta fuse hoy, it forms diploid zygote. Okay, when the sperm and ovum fuse, like a diagram so here ki hoise, this is the structure of the ovum. Okay, it is follicular cells, mature follicular cells. Here ki hoise, this is the ovum, and here ki hobo tomalkor jetia sperms kini ahibo, it will fertilize only zona pellucida ki koribo, tak induce koribo only one sperm enter into the nucleus of the ovum, and tetia ki hobo fertilization hobo. After fertilization, it forms the zygote. Okay, so zygote formation hobo, one cell zygote, then zygote again divided into duta cell because mitosis division hobo, and again 4 cells. Okay, so blastocyst formot ki hobo, tar pisot 4 fra teniki ki hobo 8 number bahi goi thakibo, tetia ami tak eta naam dim. So first cell stage, that is called morula, tar pisot ahibo blastula, tar pisot ahibo gastula, then embryogenesis, then formation of the organisms. Okay, embryogenesis mane different parts bilak, different organs bilak jetia formation hobole start hobo, then forming the complete organisms. Okay, is a cell bilak division hoise, that is unequal division hoise, equal division honai. This is the difference. Mitosis division of ki hoy, eta cell homane duta bhagot bhag hobo, yar so duta bhagot bhag hoise, eko yat ki hoise duta pa saita unequal division ot bhag hoise. So this cell division is called cleavage. Okay, etu ki likha hoy, this is the cleavage. Aru ami janu je jodi male hoy tetia hole ki hobo XY chromosome thakibo, aru jodi female hoy tetia hole XX chromosome thakibo. That we already know. Okay, so blastula, morula bisot ki hobo blastula, eneka dhonor cells bilak dekhisa tomalke, these cells are called blastomeres. Okay, 16 daughter cells called blastomeres. ঠিক আছে, এটা সেলক আমি ব্লাস্টোমিয়াস বুলি কম। তাৰছতে এই যোনটো আহি ইউটেৰাইন ওয়ালত কি হ'ব, attach hobo, this process is called implantation. Aru kuntu condition hoy blastocyst condition. Jetia blastula formation hobo, this is the blastocyst. Tamane soa morula pisot ki hoise blastula formation hoise. Blastula to ki hoise the cells, these are arranged in the periphery. Aru majot ki hoise eta vacuole thaki hoise, khali jega, cavity hoy na. So this condition is called blastocyst. Aru ei blastocyst ki hoy uterine wall ot ahi attach hoy. Okay, that process is called implantation. ठीक है. And further development kot hobo yate hobo uterine or bhitorot. Tamane prothomate soa, this is the ovary. Ovary pra ki hobo egg release hobo, sperm ahi play hiota ki koribo fertilize koribo. Fertilization or pisot ki hobo one cell zygote formation hobo. After zygote formation 2 cell stage, then 4 cell, then 8 cell. Teti ame morula buli kom hoy na. Then again morula pla blastula hoy. Blastula cells bilak jetia periphery arrange hoy, this is the blastocyst condition. Aru he blastocyst condition ki hobo uterine wallot implantation hobo, ta mane attach hobo. So this is the about the fertilization. Okay, so it is very important question, what is implantation? ठीक है. Okay, so blastocysts are arranged into an outer layer called trophoblast. Okay, he junto outer layer peripheral region of goi pla junto cells bilak organized hoise, that is called trophoblast. And the inner group of the cells attached to the trophoblast called inner cell mass. Okay, aru bhitor junto cell thakibo, that is called inner cell mass. ठीक আছে. Okay, so next pregnancy and embryonic development. Pregnancy after implantation, finger like projection appear, that is called placenta है ना. That is trophoblast called chorionic villi, which are surrounded by uterine tissue and maternal blood. The chorionic villi and the uterine tissue become interdigitate with each other and jointly form a structure and functional unit between developing embryo, the maternal body called placenta. So very important, what is placenta? Chorionic villi and the blood cells, okay, uterine tissue become interdigitate and it is commonly form the placenta. So placenta facilitate the supply of oxygen and nutrients. What is placenta? Write the function of placenta. This is very important question. So the placenta is connected to the embryo through an umbilical cord which helps in the transport of substances. Yes, sort of like a diagram. This is the umbilical cord with its vessels and this is the placenta. Okay, placental villi and cavity of uterus, that is embryo. It get nourishment from the placenta with the help of the umbilical cord. Okay. Yes, sir. Placenta, it also acts as a endocrine gland. Endocrine gland, already got that endocrine gland, the gland which can secrete the hormones. Kun bilak hormones secrete koribo soa, human chorionic gonadotrophin hormone, then placental lactogen, then estrogen, progesterone, etc. These are secreted by the placenta. In the later stage of the pregnancy, a hormone called relaxin is also secreted by the ovary. Okay, so during the pregnancy, this hormones like estrogen, progesterone, cortisol, prolactin, thyroxine, etc. are increased several folds in the maternal blood. Okay, increased production of these hormones is essential for supporting the fetal growth. Baby to growth hobo karone ei hormone bilak increase hoato important, aru sei hormone bilak increase hoat baby to growth hoy logalog ki hoy tomar mood swing or problem jintu thake, that is the reason. Hormonal changes hoar karone ki hoy during the pregnancy mood swing hoy thake etia. So this is for this hormonal changes. Immediate after implantation, the inner cell mass, that is embryo, differentiates into an outer layer called the ectoderm, okay, and the inner layer called the endoderm. Okay, so soon appears this implantation or logalog ki hoy tomar the cell mass বিলাক divide হয় আৰু কি কৰে দুটা layer form কৰে, that is ectoderm outer and inner endoderm, and এটা middle layer থাকে soon appear, it is called mesoderm. Okay, between the ectoderm আৰু endoderm, ectoderm endoderm মাজত কি থাকে middle layer, that is called mesoderm. Okay, এটো কেতিয়া form হয় just after the implantation. So the endoderm, ectoderm and mesoderm পৰা কি হয়, it forms the different organ in the adult, and the inner mass যোনটো থাকে inner cell mass যোনটো blastocyst আমি পাইছিলো, there contains some stem cells which have the potency to all the tissue and organ. তাৰ মানে potency থাকে কি কৰিব কাৰণে to give rise to all the tissues and organs. stem cell পৰা tissue and organ formation হয়. Okay, so this is important. Then embryonic development is very important. As we know, the pregnancy period in human being, that is 9 months. Okay, so after pregnancy, the first sign of growing fetus may be noticed by listening to the heartbeat, heart sound, through the stethoscope. Okay, by the end of second month of the pregnancy, the fetus develop limbs and digits. Okay, so by the end of 12 weeks, that is first trimester, that means 3 months, most of the major organ systems are formed. Okay, so after that, after completion of the 9 months, the baby will born. Okay, so this process is called parturition and lactation. This is the last topic from this chapter. So parturition is what? So this process of delivery of the fetus, tamane childbirth, is called parturition. Okay, so parturition induced by a complex neuroendocrine mechanism. Okay, so the signal, so during parturition, the uterine wall contractions, that is called fetal ejection reflex. So this triggers release of oxytocin from the maternal pituitary. Okay, so oxytocin acts as the uterine muscle and causes stronger uterine contraction. Oxytocin or function ki hoy, it has in uterine contraction during parturition. Stimulatory reflex between the and after this oxytocin secretes continuous, resulting of stronger contraction. As a result, the expulsion of the baby takes place, that is called parturition. Okay, then start the lactation, that is the mammary glands of the female undergo differentiation during pregnancy and starts producing milk towards the end of the pregnancy by the process called lactation. So what is lactation? That is important. And the lactation is that new milk which contains the protein that is called colostrum, which is very useful for the newborn baby, and that have several antibodies. So lactation, this is induced by prolactin hormone, and parturition, this oxytocin helps in the uterine contraction. Okay, then we got that in this topic we got about the fertilization, about post fertilization, that means after fertilization, implantation. Okay, so this is all about the fertilization in human being.